How to log in Temu account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Temu account. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure your Temu account is installed in your device. If not, head over to your Play Store and search for Temu. This is the application that we are looking forward to download. Once you downloaded this, tap on Open. Then you will see this interface. Now here you will see sign in at the bottom of the page. If you don't see it, just tap on the use section and you will see sign in/register. Just tap onto it. Here tap on continue with Google, and if you don't see this option, tap on to register/sign in with another account. Simply enter your phone number or email address. If you don't remember your phone number or email address, just tap on to continue with Google and it will show you the list of all the Google accounts that are saved in your device. All you have to do is tap onto it and it will open up your account from that Gmail address. You will see your account just like this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.